Today we're going to be making this awesome cupcake stand and we're going to make these cute sandwiches which can also be mini cakes. I wish we could have a tea party, right? Yes, Rapunzel, that's a very good idea. So I really think we should do a tea party. But how? I think we should find a magician or do some magic. Did I hear magic? Does someone need my magic? I'll help you two. Okay, I'll help you. I'm going to make a potion for you. 1, 2, 3. Abracadabra. So the supplies for the cupcake stand are some wrapping paper, which is actually also my wand, some paper plates, now it looks more prettier, some scissors, some glue, this wrapping paper roll, and some pretty sequins or any decorations you enjoy. Then get your wrapping paper roll and get a marker or whatever you want and mark where you're going to cut. And then just cut it. It might be hard. Be sure it's not easy. So then cut any colored paper and remember to use bright. And then put it here. It doesn't have to be the exact amount. Like this is bigger. I'm just going to put some glue. Then put a little more glue on the paper and then stick it. Then, if you have extra parts, just do this, like, I don't know what you call it, flap it inside. Same thing. So then, put glue on the tips of the wrapping paper or paper, whatever. And then do the same thing on the top and stick your smaller plate. The stands are ready for you dolls to have your best time ever. Wow, they look so good, pretty. Yeah, they look so good. Let's do a happy dance. Abracadabra. Bling, 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 bling. I love bling. So we're going to put some sequins now. This is